Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to talk about the newly released Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, the world's thinnest foldable smartphone that unfolds into a tablet. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive right in. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is the third generation of Xiaomi's foldable series, and it comes with some major improvements over its predecessor. The device has a new waterdrop hinge that is more durable and allows the screen to stay still at any angle between 45 degrees and 135 degrees. This is called the hover mode, and it lets you use the device like a laptop or a stand. The device has two screens: an 8.03-inch main foldable screen with 2K resolution and UTG protection, and a 6.56-inch outer screen with Full HD Plus resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass. Both screens use E6 material and support up to a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision. They can also reach a peak brightness of 2600 nits, which is very impressive. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is powered by the overclocked version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is one of the most powerful processors in the market. It also has LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for fast performance. The battery capacity is 4,800 mAh, and it supports 67-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. One of the highlights of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is its Leica-tuned quad camera system, which consists of a 50-megapixel Sony IMX800 primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide unit, a 10-megapixel 3.2x telephoto shooter, and a 10-megapixel 5x periscope snapper. The camera can capture stunning photos and videos in various modes and scenarios. The device also has two 20-megapixel front-facing cameras for selfies and video calls. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13, which is optimized for the foldable experience. Xiaomi claims that the top 200 apps in China are fully compatible with this device. The device also has dual stereo speakers for immersive sound quality. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 comes in two variants, glass and dragon scale fiber. The glass variant is available in black and gold colors, while the dragon scale fiber variant uses a more durable aerospace fiber composite material that is rated 36 times stronger than glass. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is currently available for pre-order in China, and it will go on sale from August 16th. There is no word on its global availability yet. So, what do you think of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3? Do you think it is worth buying? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.